In today's video, I'm going to teach you ZYNLO Bank Honest Review. Is it worth it? 2025 guide. If you're thinking about opening an account with ZYNLO Bank, this walkthrough will help you evaluate whether it actually fits your needs before you move any money. ZYNLO is a digital banking division of PeoplesBank, and it offers several common banking products, including checking, savings, money market accounts, and CDs. Right away, it's important to understand that this is primarily an online banking option, so your experience will depend heavily on digital features and transfer reliability. Start by looking at the different account types available. Don't just focus on one advertised product. Take time to compare the checking, savings, money market, and CD options so you can match the account to what you actually need. Next, review the interest rates carefully. ZYNLO has attracted attention because of competitive APYs, but rates can change over time. In 2025, some customers reported that promotional rates dropped after they opened accounts, so make sure you're checking current terms and not just headline marketing. You'll also want to examine fees and minimum requirements. Look for monthly maintenance fees, balance requirements, and any other charges that could reduce the value of the account. Even a strong APY can become less attractive if the account has limitations or extra costs. After that, check the savings features. ZYNLO has offered tools like automatic roundups, and its Tomorrow Savings account has been promoted with a matching feature. These extras can be useful if you want help building savings automatically. ATM access is another important area. Review which ATMs are available to you and whether out-of-network use could trigger fees. Since this is not a traditional branch-heavy bank, access matters. Then look into transfer options. ZYNLO mainly relies on electronic transfers, so think about how quickly you may need to move money in and out. Some 2025 customer reviews mentioned delays, which could be important if speed is a priority for you. Before making any decision, compare customer feedback across multiple sources, including app stores, Trustpilot, and independent banking review sites. Reviews in 2025 were mixed. Some customers liked the rates and savings features, while others reported issues with account access, transfers, and customer service. Also, review the mobile app itself, since that may become your main way of managing the account. Check its features, usability, and recent feedback. At the same time, look into customer support and how easy it is to get help when something goes wrong. Finally, verify account limitations, confirm FDIC insurance through its association with PeoplesBank, and compare ZYNLO with other online banks based on APY, fees, ATM access, transfers, app quality, and support. If your main goal is earning competitive interest online, ZYNLO may be worth considering, but if you need broader banking services, its limitations may matter more. Overall, the 2025 picture is mixed. Attractive rates and features, but some concerns around service and flexibility.